Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen. Today we will discuss Booth's multiplication algorithm with example. So go for it. Today we will discuss on Booth's multiplication algorithm. So what is that? This is a multiplication algorithm that multiplies signed binary numbers in 2's complement notation. Okay? The algorithm was invented by Andrew Donald Booth in 1950 while doing research on crystallography Birkbeck College in Bloomsbury, London. Okay? So we first describe this algorithm using this flowchart. Now we have described this algorithm. So at first what happened? We are defining a equal to 0, a is the accumulator, and q suffix minus 1 equal to 0. Okay. After that, m is your multiplicand and q is your multiplier, and count is equal to n. Okay. So 1101 and multiplied suppose 1011. Okay. So these suppose your m and these suppose your q. Okay. Now how many bits are there? There is 4. There is 4. Okay. So that's why the count should be your 4. Okay. And m represent your multiplicand and q is represent your multiplier. Okay. And at the first you should assign q suffix minus 1 equal to 0 and a equal 0, right? And also remember, for this q is concerned, so suppose there is q0, q1, q2 and q3. So it's like that. This part is your q0, this part your q1, this part your q2 and this part your q3. Okay, means q0, q1, q2, q3. In that way it is defined. Okay, and if we think that after q0 it will q minus 1, and this q minus 1 actually we are at first defining as 0. Okay, now start the algorithm. So what happened? That means this q minus 1 is your 0. So we are checking these two parts. So we are checking this q0 and q minus 1. So what the value may be? The value will be in 4 types. What the types? Either 0 0, either 0 1, either 1 0 or 1 1. So what happen if this two value is 1 1 or 0 0? So we just do arithmetic shift right operation. Okay. If the value is 0 1, so we just do a equal a plus m operation, and after we do arithmetic shift right operation. If q0 q minus 1 value is 1 0, then we do just a equal a minus m, and after we do arithmetic shift right operation. Okay. After whatever the value, after doing this should be done at the last. Okay. After what happened? The count will be decreased. Means if the number of bit at first 4, then it will be 3 after 2, in that way. And at last we should check that the value of count is 0 or not. If it is 0, so we stop calculation or your algorithm will stop. Otherwise, means this loop will continuously going on until and unless count value will go at 0. When the count value is 0, then we stop the calculation. Okay. So we will describe this algorithm using suitable example. Okay. Now we take an example. Suppose minus 7 into minus 3 and equal to 21. Okay. So what happened when we do the Booth's multiplication algorithm and the numbers are negative? What happened? Negative number will be stored in 2's complement. Okay. Positive numbers are simply represented as simple binary representation, but if the number is negative, then it will be represented using 2's complement. Okay. So what happened? So for 7 is concerned, means plus 7. So what its binary representation? Binary representation will be 0 1 1. Okay. Clear? Now, so negative number it is, so we should represent in 2's complement. So 2's complement means we first complement it, means we first do the 1's complement and then plus 1. So if we do the 1's complement, so it will be 1 0 0 0, and if we add 1, so the result will be that. Means 2's complement of 7 will be this. Clear? Similarly, plus 3, if we do it in binary, so we get 0 0 1 1. Actually what happened, we both number means 7 and 3 are represented in 4 bit, most significant bit as 0 in both cases. Okay, so plus 3 will be represented in that way, so minus 3 will be 2's complement of that. So what happened, at first we do 1's complement, so just flip the bits 1 1 and 0 0, and after we add 1, so the result will be 1 0. Okay, that means it will be 2's complement of 3. Okay, that means now minus 7 is represented in 1 0 0 1. Clear? And minus 3 is our q, means is a multiplier. Okay, now we are just draw this table, and according to the algorithm we first initialize that a as 0, so both multiplicand and multiplier are 4 bits. That's why what happened, we take this accumulator at first 4 bit, that's why 4 0 is given. And what our q, the q is 1 1 0 1, so we just put 1 1 0 1, and we already told q suffix minus 1 at start should given 0. Okay, and m, which is our multiplicand, is 1 0 0 1, and the number of bit at start 4. Okay, now for the first step 1, so which we should check q0 and q minus 1. So what is the q0 q minus 1? So if, so here what happened, q0 is 1 and q minus 1 is 0, means 1 0 is there. So what the condition for 1 0? It that way, a plus 2's complement of m. Why? Because you already know negative number will be stored in 2's complement. Okay, now what is your a? A is your 0 0 0 0, right? And now what your m? M is 1 0 0 1. So 1 0 0 1, now it complement, means 1's complement, so 0 1 1 0, and add 1, so what will be 0 1 1 1. Okay, now we add this according to this line, so 0 1 1 1 will be add, and what you get, 1 1 1 0. So new a value will be 0 1 1 1. So we just put into that particular step what, 0 1 1 1. Okay, now after that we just, whatever the value of q we are just right here, so q value is 1 1 0 1, so we are just 1 1 0 1, and we write q minus 1 will be 0, and m whatever the same. Okay, now count will be 3, means it will be reduce 1. Okay, and also the another operation is also there. What is that? It should be right shift. Okay, now we do the right shift. What happened, this 0 will come there, after this 0 go that place, this 1 come 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 that place, this 1 that place, this 0 that place, this 1 that place, and m will be the same. Okay, so after step 1 we got this result. Okay, now go for the step 2. Okay, again we check, what do we check, these two value q0 and q minus 1, it's a 0 1. So now for the 0 1, what is given, a equal to a plus m and right shift. Okay, so operation is a equal a plus m, and after shift right. Okay, so what happened, so what will be your a, your last a value is 0 0 1 1. Okay, 0 0 1 1, and what will be your m, 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, now add these two, simple, so 1 1 will be 0, 1 will be carry, 1 1 0, and 1 will be carry, 0 plus 0 will be 0, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 0 1, and 0 plus 1 will be 1. So what will be the new a value, 1 1 0 0. Okay, same way the q value will be same, 1 1 0, q minus 1 will be 1, m will be the same. Okay, after we do what, we should do right shift. Clear? So now the same way, this one will come that position, this one that position, this one that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this one that position, this one that position, this one that position, and this 0 that position, and m will be the same. And what will be the count? It should be 2. Okay, what happened? Each and every step the bit is just shifted, and what the shifting is going on? Shift right. Okay, so this your step 2 is concerned. Okay, step 3, right? Now we checks again. What we check? Q0 and Q minus 1. What the value? 1 0. So what the action? So again we can write A plus 2's complement of M. Why? Because we know negative number will be stored in 2's complement. Okay, so what will your M? So your M will be 1001. Okay, now if we complement that, so what the value? 1's complement value will be that. Okay, and if we add that 1, so we got 1 1 1 and 0, means 0 triple 1. And what will be the A value? The last A value will be 1110, and we add this number 0 1 1 1. Okay, and if we add that, so what we get? 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, go this 1, 1 plus 1 0, and 0 plus 1 will be 1, 1 plus 1 will be 0, and 1 will be there, so 0 plus 0 will be 0. So new A will be 0 1 0 1. So we write there 0 1 0 1. Clear? And same way we write the Q here 0 triple 1, and Q minus 1 will be 0, and this is your M. Okay, now what do? We do right shift. This 0 will come that position, this 0 that position, this 1 that position, this 0 that position, this 1 that position, this 0 that position, this 1 that position, this 1 that position, and this 1 will come that position, and M will be the same. Okay, and the count will be 1. Okay, now we go the step 4. Okay, now we check again your Q0 and Q minus 1. This is 1 1, so just go that table. So when 1 1, so we are just right shifting. So this 0 will come that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this 1 that position, this 0 that position, this 1 that position, this 0 that position, this 1 that position, and this 1 that position, and M will be that, and your count will be 0. Okay, so now we stop our calculation. Why? Because the count value is now 0, so don't need to go for another step. So we already got our value, and the value is this. Okay, after that we got this result. Okay, and in your binary. Okay, now if we just calculate in decimal, so what we get? So if we multiply it by this 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 3, and it will be 2 to the power 4. Okay, so 2 to the power 4 into 1 plus 2 to the power 2 into 1 and 2 to the power 0 into 1. 2 to the power 4 means 16 plus 2 to the power 2 means 4. This means 1. So total will be 21. Okay, in decimal. So our starting number was -7 into -3, which will be 21, because -7 is your multiplicand and -3 is your multiplier, which is represented as Q, and this is your final result. How? In that way we get the result. Okay, now go for the another example. We are doing Booth's multiplication algorithm using these two number, -6 multiplied 7, and we got -42. So again, so this is a minus. So when the negative number is there, so this negative number is represented by 2's complement. So your 6 in binary 0 1 1 0. Okay, now for 2's complement is concerned, so at first we do 1's complement. So 1 0 0 1, just flip the bits and add 1 with that. So 1 1 0, 1 is carry, so 1 plus 0 will be 1, and 0 1. Okay, that means -6 should be represented in binary in that way. Or we can also say 2's complement of 6 will be this. Okay, and the same way for the result 42 is there. So for your plus 42 in binary, it should represent in that way 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Okay, means if we do in conversion in binary, so we got this result 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. And if we flip that, means again we do the ones complement, we got 1 1 0 1 0 1 0 1, and we add with that, add 1 with that result. So 1 1 is 0, 1 is carry, 1 plus 0 1, there is a 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, so when we got the result through this Booth's multiplication algorithm, we should got this result. Okay, that's why we are just finding out this result in binary. Okay, so that means this is your minus 42, or we can say 2's complement of 42 will be this number. Okay, so for 7 is concerned, we are just converting binary and we got the result 0 1 1. Okay, pause. Now this your minus 6 is your multiplicand and 7 is your multiplier, means represent as q. Okay, and minus 42 will be your result. So now we go to the table. So at first when we initialize, what happened, the a will be stored 0, because according to the algorithm we start a equal to 0, and now q is represented as 0 1 1 1. Why? Because 7 is your q, and q minus 1 at first it should be 0, and m is 1 0 1 0, means it's your minus 6. Okay, and the count start from 4. Why? Because the number of bits is 4. Okay, now we go for the first step. So you go step 1. So first what happened, we check what q0 and q minus 1. So what the value? 1 0. So according to the table, what happened? 1 0 means, so we can write a plus 2's complement of m, right? Now m is 1 0 1 1. So if we first do 1's complement, we get 0 1 0 1. Just flip the bit. 1 means 0, 0 means 1, 1 means 0, and 0 means 1. And after we add 1, so 1 1 is 0, 1 is carry, 1 plus 0 will be 1, 1 and 0. So this will be the 2's complement of m, right? Now we add with a. So a at first is 0 0 0 0, and we add 0 1 1 0. So what will be the result? So 0 1 1 0. So first a value will be 0 1 1 0. Okay, and your q will be the same, 0 1 1 1, and q minus 1 also 0, and m will be 1 0 1 0. Okay, now what we do? Right shift, just shift that. So this 0 will there, this 0 that position, this one that position, this one that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this one that position, this one that position, and this one that position. M will be the same, and the count will be now decrease. So the value is 4, now the count will be 3. Okay, now we end the step 1. Okay, now go to the step 2. So again we check what q0 and q minus 1, it is 1 1. So what is given in the table? When it is 1 1, we are just do right shift. Okay, so what happened when we do the right shift? So this 0 will become that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this one that position, this one that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this one that position, and this one that position. Okay, and m will be same is this. So we are just shifting towards right, so that's why there is given shift right. Okay, and after that what happened, the count will be 2, means it's also be decreased. So we are just end our step 2. Now go for your step 3, right? Now again we check what, now there q0 is 1 and q minus 1 is also 1. Okay, same thing is going on. So again we go there. So if this 1 1, so what happened, right shift is on only going on. So we are just do that, what happened, so this 0 will come that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, this one that position, this one that position, this 0 that position, this 0 that position, and this one that position. So m will be there. Okay, now and what your count value, the count value will be 1. Okay, now the step 4 is concerned. Okay, So now you check Q0 is 0 and Q minus 1 is 1. So what the value? 0, 1. And what the action? A equal to A plus M and right shift. Okay. So now we do that A equal A plus M. So what's your A value? A is that. All are 0. Now what is your M value? 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Now we add this. So A is 0, 0, 0, 0 and M is 1, 0, 1, 0. If we add 0, 0 equal to 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1. Okay. So this is your new A. So we just write here 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay. And the Q value will be the same 1, 1, 0, 0 and Q minus 1 is 1. So your M is 1, 0, 1, 0 and your count will be go 0. Okay. And now we do what? The shift right operation. So this one, that position, this one, that position, this 0, that position, this one, that position, this 0, that position, this one, that position, this one, that position, this 0, that position and this 0, that position. Okay. And M will be the same. Okay. So now the count value is 0. So we stop our calculation. So what the result? The result is this. Means 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. Okay. So this result is already I am defined that. So when minus 42 is given in your decimal, so its binary should be 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0. So there will be the same result is there. Means minus 42 when it represent in binary, so this result will come as output. Okay. That means when minus 6 multiplied 7, so we got minus 42. And when this minus 42 is represent in binary, so we got this result. Okay. I hope that you have understood my topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin.